Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video is for people who came to Saudi Arabia on visit visa and their passport is expired or going to expire, and they got their passport renewed here in Saudi Arabia, and after renewal of their passport they want transfer of visa information from old passport to the new passport through upshare system. They generally don't accept it. Even through khadma tawasal they don't accept it. So what they say, at the time of extension of your visit visa or renewal of visit visa, you come to the Jawazat and they will do it. They can do it. At that, when you want to renew the visa, you go with the old and new passport. At that time, of course, you have to pay government fees, renewal, medical insurance, all those things. At the time, they can do that. But direct naqal maloomat, transfer of visa information directly, separately, they don't accept it. Okay? जब आपका पासपोर्ट विजिट वीज़ा का रिन्यूअल का वक्त आए, फीस वगैरह पे करके जवाजात में डायरेक्ट जाइए. हो सकता है उस वक्त वो लोग रिन्यूअल आपका कर देंगे. असल मकसद क्या है? रिन्यूअल, विजिट वीज़ा का रिन्यूअल. पुराना और नया पासपोर्ट दोनों लेके जाएंगे, हो सकता है वो लोग कर देंगे उस वक्त. ठीक है? खदमा तवासल से या ऑनलाइन नहीं एक्सेप्ट करते वो लोग. ठीक है.